Hello guys, this is Prime Concept. In this video, we want to consider the image formation when an object is placed at 2f or at 2f2. When our object is at that point, where will the image be formed and what will be the nature or properties of the image that is formed? In our previous video, we considered when the object is placed behind 2f2. We saw that the image will be formed at what point? It will be formed between f1 and 2f1. And we saw the properties of that image. One of the properties we saw is that the image is actually diminished, it's smaller. We saw that the image is real. We saw that the image is inverted, right? Yes, and these are some of the properties we saw. For this, we want to look at when the object is at 2f2, or you can just say at 2f. That is good. Now let's look at where the image will be formed. So this is our f2, this is our 2f2, this is our f1, this is our 2f1, right? When our object is located at 2f2, where will the image be formed? So this is our object. This is my object. Now, following the rules, I would have this. Yes, parallel ray. When it hits the center of my lens, what would happen? It would refract through the focal point on the other side. So it will go this way, right? Now, if I follow another rule, say I'm going through my focal point, in this case, I will have this, right? So when it hits the center of my lens again, what will happen? It will come out parallel. To come out parallel. Not very good. To come out parallel. So I'll have this. This is more parallel. So to come out parallel from the other side. Now, if you look at where your refracted rays are intersecting, you can see that point is actually at what? 2f1. So it means that my image is going to be formed at this point, right? Now, what are the properties of this image that is formed? The properties. Number one property is that our image is at 2f1. So our image is formed at 2f1, or we can say our image is formed at 2f. That is one thing we can see from the diagram. Number two is that our image is real. Number three is that our image is inverted. And then number four, our image is magnified. And we can say our image is bigger. Our image, even though I'm using freehand, if you try to use scale diagram, you will notice that our image is same size. Thank you. It's same size as objects. Please take note of that correction. Our image is same size as our object, right? And then, of course, you can see our image is same distance from the lens as our object. So the distance from here to here is same distance from here to here. So the image is same size as your object. The image is also same distance from your lens as your object. Under this condition, the magnification of your convex lens is going to give you what? A value of what? 1. So please take note of it. Under the condition where your object is at 2f, the magnification of your convex lens is going to be units. It's going to be 1. So take note of this. I believe this concept is really very clear to you. If you have been watching my videos and you are not yet subscribed, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Share with 10 of your friends. Let them also see this and benefit from this. Like my videos when you come across them. Remember, this is Prime Concept. Thanks for always engaging.